A spiritual writer once said, "The road to glory passes through the cross." Yung daan papunta ng kaluwalhatian, laging dadaan sa cross. Brothers and sisters, have you ever noticed there are some of us na ang pangarap, gustong maabot ang mga pangarap, pero ayaw nilang magsakripisyo. Or may mga tao gusto nilang ma-promote sa trabaho, pero ayaw nila ng dagdag na trabaho. They wanted to be promoted, but doesn't want to have an extra work. Or we want to have a strong family, pero ayaw nila yung mga sakripisyo na pinagdadaanan ng isang pamilya. Sometimes people wanted to have resurrection, but struggle or doesn't want to have the cross.